Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Ashimary again. I got the package with everything as well as a tote bag which is branded. Alright, you can go ahead and use that for storage and stuff. And then let's get into the package itself. First I'm seeing the wig, which we're going to get into in a few. And then I also got some goodies, so let's get into them. Alright, so firstly I got this cute little white tooth comb. Alright, I got this other, like a pick. That's nice. Then I got some wig lace tapes or lace front tapes. I got a bonnet and that's branded. Ooh, these are cute. This is, oh my gosh, let's see what this is. It's a Christmas themed. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, this is a Christmas themed bracelet. Love that. And then I also got another goodie bag. Alright, so I got a edge brush and comb, INVISITRAP. I also got this branded Ashimary headband. Okay, and I got some hairpins. Ooh, I got some lashes. I got this information card. I got a pair of HD wig caps, and that's everything. Well, no, there's one more. We got an Ashimary robe. That's a lot of goodies. I mean, it's Christmas after all, and Ashimary is just that girl. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the wig. This is today's wig. Immediately after putting this out the package, I could tell that it is great quality. Love the color job. This is their salon layer cut ginger highlights on brown here, 360 lace frontal INVISITRAP, skin lace drawstring snug fit body wave human hair wig. Guys, that's a long title, I know, but this is gorgeous. This is 24 inches long, by the way. I'm gonna put the density down below and all the specifications, but the hair color is giving. It is giving, and it's an INVISITRAP wig, as I said. So that's amazing. Absolutely love that. And it's very much beginner friendly because, you know, it's an INVISITRAP, and you know, it's already pre-cut, it's pre-plucked, it's pre-bleached. Everything is looking good. They pre-style the wig perfectly for you as well. It's very soft and silky. You know, I absolutely love that. And they made sure to brand properly. You know, there's an elastic band, in adjustable band inside, and it says glueless Ashimary. So yes, a glueless wig. There are also removable combs in the cap, one in the back, two on the sides. Okay, and the INVISITRAPs are here in the back. So all you need to do when adjusting these is pretty much you just move them to like, you know, adjust it to where you want it to be. And then you take the next one and kind of secure it, and there you go. That's pretty much it. That's all you need to do. So it's pretty straightforward on how to use it. So yeah, absolutely love that. It's very discreet as well. As I said, a 360 wig, so you know that supports versatile styling options. Okay, so you want to do updos as well as wear it normal, you can do that, and it's a snug fit, as I said, so it's going to be very secure on your head. So absolutely love that. It looks, we're going to also use the lace tapes to install today's wig. Okay, so I went ahead and I applied the lace tapes. That's what you're seeing. So I'm gonna start with this side. The lace on this wig looks so good. So I'm gonna just remove the blue parts. This is how it looks once I'm all done with applying it with the lace tapes. It looks really good. This is definitely a pre everything. The first look, of course, I'm gonna just show you guys as it came in the packaging. It's minimal shedding. I love that. It's definitely on the coarser side because, you know, it is processed, but the hair feels good, but you can definitely feel that it's processed. Look at those curls. I love the loose body waves. It's actually really perfect. The wig lay flat, like I really don't need to do anything, you know. This looks great. This is how it came directly out the package. I didn't have to go over it at all. It's not frizzy. It looks nice and silky and full. Yes, this is gorgeous. No swoops needed. You could just do a whole pullback vibe. Yeah, that looks great. That looks amazing. Let me know what you guys think. I'm actually gonna do like a nice half up, half down look and just kind of pull it back. But before I get into that, I want to show you guys how you could go ahead and, you know, secure the drawstrings, because since I was wearing it down, I didn't do it as yet, but I'm gonna show you guys. So this is how it looks. So you just go ahead and you just adjust the knobs on the string to how tight or loose. Okay, and then once you're finished, you just want to go ahead and tuck them away in the cap. It's super secure, very snugged. Ooh, that looks good. So effortless and gorgeous, really effortless. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do like a half up, half down, but like mid portion. Love the body on this wig. Like the density feels so good. I am getting shedding. I wish it was a little less, but so far everything looks good. Very clean pullback vibe. This is gorgeous. That is hairstyle number 2, or look number 2 rather. I like it. So I'm gonna do, you know, the classic with a 360 wig. We have to do a updo, okay? So I'm gonna go all the way ponytail. This hair is so gorgeous. Like this wig, the construction, everything is just so good. Like I'm not even doing anything and it's just falling so effortlessly and just beautiful, you know, like. If this, oh my gosh, this is too nice. This could go to a nice event. Like I look like I did the most when I really did it, and that's because it had those lovely body waves. This updo is giving, and the fact that it's all glueless, guys, is just 10 out of 10. The fact that it's glueless. Let me show you guys the back. Mwah. Chef's kiss. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Ashimary did it again. I have no complaints when it comes on to Ashimary. Like, we're ending a year with a gorgeous wig. It definitely ended it with a bag, because this look is everything. Everything. And this is my 3rd and final wig look. Yeah, with today's wig. They know what they were doing. Yeah, I highly recommend this. It is, if you want to switch up your look, you want to tap into a little bit of color, you know, glueless, very beginner friendly, this is it. This is it. They 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. I'm gonna put the direct link to this wig in the description box, so if you're interested in getting it for yourself, you can go ahead and do so. All the specifications will be listed. Any sale, any deal, any discount code I may have, that will be listed. But yeah, that's it. That is it for today's wig look, or wig looks with this wig. They did their thing. I absolutely love it. It's stunning. What more can I say? It speaks for itself, you know? So yeah, that's it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and wake up on yourself. Bye.